Imagine you are late for work, you turn the key, and your engine just keeps cranking and cranking without any sign of life. Or maybe you are driving along and the car suddenly stumbles, hesitates, and loses power like it is gasping for air. If you see that check engine light and find a P0323 code, you are dealing with an ignition or distributor engine speed input circuit high issue. Essentially, your car's brain, the PCM, is getting an electrical signal that is way out of range. This generic powertrain code usually points toward the crankshaft position sensor or the camshaft position sensor, which are the primary eyes and ears of your engine. These sensors are like the conductor of an orchestra. They tell the engine exactly when to spark and when to inject fuel by monitoring the position and speed of the internal parts. When the voltage in these circuits rises above what the computer expects, everything falls out of sync. Now, do not panic and start buying expensive parts immediately. This is specifically flagged as an electrical circuit fault, meaning the issue is often in the wiring rather than the heavy mechanical components. My first piece of advice is to always look for TSBs, or technical service bulletins, for your specific make and model, especially if you drive an Audi, Mazda, or Volkswagen. Manufacturers often find common wiring flaws and release a specific fix that can save you a lot of time and money. You will want to locate your speed sensor, which might be tucked inside the distributor or sitting near the crankshaft pulley. Look for any wires that have rubbed against the frame or melted because they were too close to the hot exhaust. If the connectors look green or crusty, that is corrosion messing with your signal. Grab some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush to get those terminals looking like new again. If you have a scan tool, clear the code and see if it returns after a short drive. If it does come back, you need to figure out if you have a 3-wire Hall effect sensor or a 2-wire magnetic pickup sensor. For a 3-wire setup, use your DVOM to check for a steady 5-volt power supply and a solid ground. If you are working with a 2-wire magnetic sensor, you are looking for an internal resistance between 750 and 2000 ohms. If you see any reading other than that, or if the sensor shows a short to the metal body of the car, you have found your culprit. Just remember that some of these sensors need to be calibrated to the PCM after you install them to ensure the timing is perfect. So check your manual before you call the job finished.